Hi, if you guys like deviled eggs, you may love this recipe. This adds ham to it, little chunks of ham. So this is ham deviled eggs. New twist for a party, nice easy appetizer. Who doesn't love a good deviled egg? If you want the recipe, keep watching. Here are the ingredients for ham deviled eggs. I'm going to use some deli ham that's already pre-cut. You need some mustard, you need some sweet relish. I believe Miracle Whip goes best with deviled eggs, but if you prefer mayonnaise, go right ahead, your favorite brand. And that's a little bit of sugar, and you need the hard-boiled eggs. So I'm gonna get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, so you wanna cut your eggs lengthwise, like so. As you see, they're almost a tad bit overcooked. You can tell because of the green ring, but they're still edible. A lot of people are really picky about that because a perfectly hard-boiled egg doesn't have that green ring. And as you see, they're really weird shaped. I don't know why when I put them in the water, a couple of them floated. And then the last one. So there, now my eggs are all cut. You need a bowl, and you want to put your eggs, the yolk, in there. You want to clean out as much of the yolk as possible. If you're lucky, it'll all come out in one piece. Sometimes some of it sticks to the inside. And I know these are some weird, funky shaped deviled eggs. I don't know why they boiled like this, but my husband loves them. They're not for a party, or I would boil a bunch more. So I'm only doing about 6 eggs, which is a dozen when you cut them in half. Like I said, don't panic, because see, the darker color should be all yellow like that. You want a few minutes over on the cooking time. Okay, so you're gonna need some salt. I forgot. You gotta salt your eggs. And some black pepper. That's a little coarse. Now this is where it gets cagey. I'm gonna add some sugar. You see, that's not much. Let's add it all in there. Then I'm gonna take a fork and mash this up. The smoother you can get this, or the finer, the smoother your deviled egg mixture will be. I'm gonna add some relish. Some mustard. And remember, mustard has vinegar in it, and spices and sugar down to the last of that mustard. I'm gonna get a different one. Good squeeze of mustard. You want to make sure all the chunks are smashed, so it's a nice creamy filling. And the sweet relish and the sugar, trust me, they won't be sweet, but it gives it a nice sweetness with the pickles. Okay, so you kind of have to eyeball your Miracle Whip. So I say start out with the little, because you can always add more. Some people do this in the food processor, but you know your girl is way too lazy to have to clean another piece of machinery. You always want to taste it and check it for seasoning. I think a little bit of pickle with the ham gives it a nice, delicious bite. Okay, that looks pretty smooth. Now let's taste it. Perfect. And this is where you add your ham. I'm just going to eyeball this because it's not a bunch of eggs. I'm going to add a couple more and probably a few more on top just for garnish so you can see that there's ham in these eggs in case you don't eat pork and you took these to a party, or definitely let people know, because traditional deviled eggs don't have anything in them. I've had salmon deviled eggs, bacon deviled eggs, every kind of deviled egg you can think of. Okay, and you just want to take a spoon and spoon some of the mixture into the well of the egg. Normally I pipe these, but with the ham, I didn't want to risk getting my pipette bag clogged at the end. Now some people leave that part showing that's white. I like to cover my entire egg. I'm going to add some extra sprinkles of ham on top. Just kind of lightly press them down in there. Not necessary, but I'm going to add a little paprika for garnish. Just a tiny bit. You could use dill, which I would be using, but my husband doesn't like anything green. Those of you that know me, welcome back. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. Channel quick, fast, easy meals. And there you have it. Ham deviled eggs. I'm gonna get everything set up, turn the camera around, and get ready to tell you guys my joke. Okay, let me tell you guys my joke. One bright and cheery Saturday morning, a man hears a knock at his front door and answers it. The stranger says, "Hello, I'm a Jehovah's Witness, and I'm here to enlighten you with some inspirational religious stories." After a quick thought, the homeowner says, "Well, come on in." He takes the stranger into the living room. "Please have a seat and let me bring you a cup of coffee." Upon returning with a freshly brewed cup of coffee, he says to the stranger, "Now what about those stories you have to enlighten me with?" The Jehovah's Witness says, "Heck if I know, I've never gotten this far." I thought that's pretty funny. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if you've ever had Jehovah's Witness knock on your door. We used to all the time, my husband and I, about 30 years ago. Since we've moved, it's only been like once or twice here at this home. They would come by and you'd see them on the porch and you know it was them. And rest in peace, a good friend of my husband's. He was something else. He let them in one time and said, "Hey, I got some beer, I got some liquor, I got some weed." And that was to deter them from ever coming back, because he was offended by them coming to his house. But anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You guys know I upload 2 videos a week. Those have been here before, and I always tell inspirational, you insert an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. No downplaying on the Jehovah Witness religion. That's not me. Whatever religion you're with, it's all good. I just thought it was kind of funny that a lot of people run and hide or don't answer the door, but this guy was pretty funny, I thought. So please check out the video on my other deviled egg video. It's pretty much the same, but this one adds ham. You can add bacon, salmon. Just use your own recipe that you love and add some little cubes of ham. So hope to see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching and have a good evening, and God bless you and your family always.